guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Widad and today I'm super excited to show you how to dye your hair red naturally with henna. We'll be using an amazing blend of ingredients that not only give you a stunning color but also promote healthy hair. So let's jump right into it. First thing first, we'll prepare the natural dye mixture. So in a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds, 2 tablespoons of rosemary leaves, 2 tablespoons of cloves, 2 tablespoons of black seeds, 8 to 10 bay leaves, 1 cup of dried hibiscus flowers, 2 small beets, 7 to 8 cloves of garlic, and 2 small onions. Now add 5 cups of water to the bowl and let it come to a boil. Once it's boiling, add 3 tablespoons of black tea and let it simmer for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, strain the mixture and keep the water. Take 1 cup of organic henna, strained water. Make sure to achieve a smooth, consistent paste. Keep adding the water until the mixture is smooth. Time to enhance the mixture. Add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Tablespoons of white vinegar to make the color last longer. To 4 tablespoons of hibiscus flower powder for the beautiful red tint. And 2 to 3 tablespoons of acar fassi powder or deer blood powder for extra depth of color. I'll leave the links to all the ingredients in the description below. Mix everything thoroughly. Now cover the mixture and let it sit for at least an hour. For the best results, prepare the mixture the night before and let it rest. Alright, it's time to apply the henna. But first, let's protect your skin. Apply Vaseline to your ears, forehead, face, and neck to prevent staining. Now make sure your hair is clean and washed that same day or the day before. Apply the henna mixture generously to your hair, making sure to cover all strands. prevent the henna from drying out, wrap your hair with plastic wrap. Now be patient. Leave the henna on your hair for at least 6 hours. For even better results, leave it overnight. When the time is up, wash your hair with only water. Avoid using shampoo or conditioner for at least 2 days to let the color fully develop. Finally, dry and style your hair as usual, and voila, you now have stunning, naturally dyed hair without any harmful chemicals. And there you have it, a gorgeous henna hair color that's safe, natural, and absolutely stunning. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more natural beauty tips and share your henna journey with us in the comments below. Hit the notification button to be notified whenever a new video is posted. And until next time, stay beautiful and stay natural. Bye.